meemoo takes care of a great deal of archival material, together with more than 170 partners. We're talking tons of valuable information that we want to make accessible and easy to use. But that's easier said than done. For example, a lot of video and audio clips have little to no metadata. The only way to know what they're about is to watch or listen to the clip, making it hard to find what you're looking for. Adding descriptions manually would take a long time. That's why we also rely on artificial intelligence to automate this time-consuming work wherever possible. We use different technologies, and we do so for all of our partners. It's a smart way to manage the costs. We use 3 AI technologies. 1. Speech recognition. This technology detects when there's speech in a video or audio clip, and in what language. It generates a written transcript with time indications and more, at lightning speed. Doing this manually would require several hours of work for each hour of video. 2. Entity recognition. The system goes through the transcripts and identifies which public figures, organizations, and locations are mentioned. Wherever possible, we refer to an authentic source, for example, Wikidata. This way, it's always clear who or what we're talking about. It also makes the metadata even richer, because an authentic source often mentions extra information. For example, where this person was born, or what political party they belong to. 3. Facial recognition. First, this technology identifies which elements in a video clip are faces. Only faces that are clearly in view for a long enough time and that meet the quality standards are then compared with photos from a database of public figures, compiled by our content partners. Once the whole clip is processed, we know which public figures appear on screen and at what point in the video. And again, we refer to an authentic source wherever possible. There's an advantage to doing all of this in collaboration with different content partners. The faces that have already been recognized and identified in other archives end up in a shared database. Because the infrastructure and processes are shared, all partners are working together to enrich each other's metadata. 3 technologies, all leading to the same final result, making the information in our archives accessible and easy to use. And we do it safely, because these technologies come with a lot of legal and ethical challenges, especially on such a large scale. That's why we establish guidelines on who does or doesn't make it into our database. And we take precautions to keep all data safe. And these are just a few examples. We also mention clearly that the metadata was generated by a machine. And we'll keep working towards quality metadata in the future. Because the story does not end here. Using their expertise at hand, our partners are doing a lot of work to improve the descriptions and make their archival material easy to find. Furthermore, new technologies are constantly being developed, offering new possibilities. That's why we remain committed to supporting our partners as much as possible and working together to safeguard the past.